I don't know if he's dead or not. I have to go back and look at that one. Gosh, man, they came right in on me. They came downwind of me where you would expect them to come in. It's a good sized coyote. Oh my gosh. And you know what's the worst part about all of it? I didn't do a pre-interview, so if you're seeing this, that means we had action. And I'm telling you, long ways off, but I've got coyotes on both sides howling. We had action. And I'm telling you what, I drove out here, forgot my gun, came halfway, I forgot my gun at the house. I don't live but 10 minutes away. Forgot my gun. Well, on top of that, I go back to get my gun. I left magazine clip, whatever you want to call it, a little bullet holder. I left it at the house on accident. So I only had one shot. I put it right in the boiler room. And he spun like he got hit. He just took off, and he was getting it. Oh man, I'm gonna use over here before it gets dark. Before it gets dark, and see if I can find him. That joker took off moving. And you don't always get them, so we'll see what happens. Daggone. I want y'all to look. I was feeling bad about this, but what kept me going is that one is up there doing the old warning barks. So I was like, I'm gonna keep looking. We got a coyote down, boys. It's been a minute. I've had a lot of dry stands. I am pumped up. This is awesome. I'm gonna check out and make sure I ain't gonna get coyote bit, but I got a feeling that this old joker, he's made his last run. All right, let's drag him up to the daylight, boys. Here we go. Look at that. And Teeth, you know he's heard a call or two. Yeah, how did he run that far? No blood either. At least I didn't find any. All right, guys, I'm gonna go get my phone. My wife's probably wondering where I'm at. I left it up there to stand. I'm gonna go get my phone and call my people. See y'all in a little bit.